Indian market, how to cater. So let's invite for this Mr. C.T. Ramanathan, sir, Senior Embedded Engineering Manager, Honeywell Technologies. I just want to brief about him also. C.T. Ramanathan is a seasoned Senior Embedded Engineering Manager with over 20 years of experience in the aerospace avionics domain. He has more than a decade of expertise in project and program management as well as people leadership. Ramanathan's skills span across various domains, and he is a particular adept at integrating cutting edge technologies to enhance product performance and reliability. So, none other than let's invite for the Indian market how to cater sessions, Mr. C.T. Ramanathan, sir, Senior Embedded Engineering Manager, Honeywell Technologies. Please give it a big round of applause to them.
Very good afternoon, everyone. Thanks a lot, SIDA, for giving me this unique opportunity to be part of SIDA Synergy 2025 and allowing me to share my thoughts on this particular forum as well. So, this particular topic, maybe I know I'm right in middle between you and the lunchtime, so I will be mindful of the time. I will keep it short, don't worry. So, cater to the need of Indian market. So, if you talk that particular topic, Indian market is like a very heterogeneous market. If you say there are a lot of opportunities are there, wide range of opportunities are there across all domain and the industries. Moi vikira software lende life critical space technology software vaikum, we do have opportunities to go and contribute. But one important thing is there is a space for every one of us to go and contribute. That is a very important one. But the point is like how I'm going to be succeed in this. That is the important discussion point. So what are those parameters that is really important? Based on my experience and little knowledge,
indirect impact on the success of the software industry. First is awareness, second one is the choice of technology, third one is the execution. Awareness is like awareness about your market. So maybe after your product finalization is done, what is the problem that you are going to address? You will anyway identify a target group, right? In India, it is like a wide range of the demographic range is also there. Maybe the people are grouped based on the language they speak or the culture they follow or the social economic background they belong to. So they are all grouped into various groups. So now you have to pick the target group, what is relevant for your particular product. So you need to be aware about the target group. That is the awareness I'm talking about. So one example, there is a product company in Madurai. So the product is a wearable health monitoring kit. So it is wearable diagnostic. So we are like the target audience is romance that will pregnant women from tribal area or from the deep rural area. That is a target. So for an instance, so maybe without having awareness about their people, their way of life, their cultural background, if they design that product as a Fitbit wristwatch, what would have happened? Have you ever seen a tribal woman wearing a watch throughout the day, or a woman in rural wearing a watch throughout the day? They would have lost the business. But this team went to their area, spent time with them, understand their laws of life, and understand what is really their way of life, and understand and observe something like they are wearing something similar to a bangle, which is like day and day, it will be there in the wrist 24/7. They got used to that. So that is why they got the top lane instead of wristwatch. They have to go with this kind of a model so that they will be able to win the business. So the market open for them. So that is where the importance of awareness of the particular group is really important. And the other one is saying somehow we do have an understanding that the software that is performing well in the urban area will be performing the same way in the rural area. May not be, or maybe a bit more. For example, multiple examples are there. Maybe Swiggy, Zomato, or Blinkit, so multiple very high successful products are there, but it's not going the same way in the tier 2 or tier 3 cities. The point is that we have to be aware of the market and we have to customize them to the needs of the people who belong to that particular area. They are into that, they are taking a lot of steps. And I use this example to explain you the importance of awareness. That's the important point. The second one is choice of technology. So to make this, we need to be very clear about what are the limitations that we do have. So limitations in the Indian market, if you see, for instance, the various levels of digital literacy also we can take as an example. Not everyone is having a common digital literacy. So everyone is not tech-savvy, and maybe many people in Bangalore and one cities are very tech-savvy compared to the people in the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. So that we need to consider. And the second one is about the infrastructure limitations. Maybe the bandwidth issues, even in the low bandwidth issues, the software have to work, or even in an offline mode it has to work. So only if you think about all these limitations, you will be able to choose a technology that will ensure for you to design your particular product. And the other limitation we can talk about like today, because of the penetration of mobile industry into the population, everyone is having a mobile. There are differences. But at least the awareness of this will help you to define a particular or pick the right technology system. At least it fits in all sizes of screens. So that is all going to play an important role for you to position or penetrate your product into the diversified market like India. So maybe awareness we talked about and knowing the limitations we talked about. The last important thing is execution. Why execution is important is India is cost-centric market. We cannot do and sell a product which is very high in cost. So it has to be lower in cost. To make it happen from day one, we have to execute that keeping this in mind. So maybe right from the beginning, we have to look for open source solutions or AI-centric solutions, or maybe cost and collaboration with already available mediums, academy, industry. We need to find all possible ways to ensure that my overall cost involvement in my product development life cycle is kept low, so that the final product is going to be in the affordable range. So these three parameters, keeping in mind in a market like India, is very important for us to penetrate our product. So that is one area. And the second one, if you zoom out, just we need to know what is happening in the macro level. So just to complete that. So just I will show a picture that will help you to understand what is actually evolving around us. So maybe from 1990, that is a time frame where IT industry started in India, we can see to a bigger level. From there on until today, what really happened? What is the evolvement? What is the various stages in the value chain that has really happened? So maybe just to give you a picture about 1990 to 2020, the 30 years, it is all the focus is on cost arbitrage only, because the tech giants or the Fortune 500 investors are looking at us just on the lower cost arbitrage team. That is like maybe I need a talent pool who can speak English fluently, who will be able to support on all labor intensive related activities. So that is how it all started. We started from there. And maybe after 2000, I will say like maybe the transition slowly started happening. People were not just doing tasks, people started acquiring the required knowledge. The skill accumulation started. We started focusing on developing a lot of skills within us. So now where we are is like moving from cost arbitrage to skill arbitrage. So now we are in the phase where the same tech giants, same Fortune 500s are approaching us not for the low cost model, it is for the skill I want. Here is where the technology experts are there. They will be able to do wonder for me. I want to go and do a co-innovate with them. For that reason, now they are coming to us. So that is the shift that already happened. Now this is not going to get saturated at this point. This is an important one that we need to understand. This is just a projection of maybe my understanding. It should get shifted from here to an innovation arbitrage. It's not my wish. That is what I want all software industries to think and take it forward as well. We should not settle down with the skill, because in the skill arbitrage what will happen is people can bring co-innovation with tech giants, but the innovation patents will stay with them only. We will again be used from the skill point of view. But the innovation arbitrage shift, if it happens, we start running. When we start running, we start developing products. That is when we will be able to sustain in this market. So this shift has to happen. Maybe one more slide that just give you more detail, because today we have a lot of thought process about what is happening, what is the role of a mission, what is the role of a man, what is going to happen, are we really competing with each other? My point is there is no point in competing with it. It is better to embrace the technology fusion that is happening around, or the technology advancement happening around. Because so far what we have realized that any technological advancement happens so far has not taken away any job. That has actually created more and more jobs. A lot of examples are there. Core banking is one example. When a computer came in, everyone thought everything is, maybe all bookkeeping is going to go away, bankers are going to lose job. It didn't stop over there. Core banking came, entire evolution. Now that is the platform for the UPI transaction, digital transaction. Many things are happening. So in that way, every technological advancement will create newer jobs and it will not take away jobs. But one thing that we need to understand in this complete transition. So you can see in the top, I am trying to explain about the role of human and role of man in each and every phase. Maybe from beginning stage, it's a lot of human. That is where we were doing a lot of support activities for the Western giants. Maybe now from there, each and every phase, we started embracing the mission and its intelligence and its technological advancements. We travel together. And now we are in the 2025, 2030, the emerging phase where we are trying to make use of aging AI agents to do the job. That is how we are trying to make use of the fusion. So map and machine fusion have to happen. That is an important one. And in the last stage, we can see a lot of machine is going to play a role. A lot of intelligence is going to apply in the work what we do, so that we can add a lot of value back to the customer. So initially, customer will have given just the requirement for the product. During the course of time, what is that I need? What are the various analysis that I get? What are the data that I gather for all these years? With that, is there any data-driven analytics that I do? Is there any decision making I can make based on the data and give it back to him as a value addition? So that is what we are trying to do in each and every phase. So now in that phase, if you try to do a value addition, obviously even more and more opportunities will come, and other side, we will also be improving on our skill to achieve the point of product development phase. We should not be focusing only on the service more, we have to shift ourselves towards the product. So now I will summarize the three important points. One is, from the Indian market, we talk about three important parameters: awareness, choice of technology, and the third one is the way you execute, so that to keep the cost under control. That is high time, there is need of the hour from the Indian market point of view. From the global point of view, we have to aware what is the transition happening, where we are no more in cost-arbitrage model, we have already moved to skill, now we are moving towards innovation. So we have to innovate more, we have to develop focus more on product-based solutions. And the last one, a simple message is, don't prepare for today, then we will become jobless tomorrow. Better prepare for the future, that will be really helpful. That is what this, I try to show you what is actually going to happen in future, so that we can be prepared for that. Sure, thanks a lot, thank you.
So, session of today, Indian market, how to cater. Thank you so much once again. And we're gonna honor you once again, so thank you so much. And let's invite for to honoring the sessions. Mr. Kutishankar sir, Hogan.com Vice President. Sir, thank you so much once again for this great session.